Okay, people. We're gonna be playing White Noise today, and these are the people I'm gonna play with, and we're gonna do it on Nightmare Bunker 51. This is gonna be a scary video if you get scared. All right, everybody, y'all ready?
Yeah.
All right.
Wait, shit's on Nightmare? What the fuck?
Look at that.
Oh, the redhead.
Here's orange.
Oh,
Or it's yellow. It's York.
fucking them Converse though.
Oh. My shoes are better than all the others.
Alright, we're gonna find the first stage.
Let's go to the Indian shop.
You go that way.
Oh my god, David has a beard. David, wrong way.
They both go the same way. They both go the same way.
Oh, let me follow him. Ooh, bookshelf, this is a good idea, David. But it says don't stay here. You said we've been here before.
Yeah, we have, but it's every the thing goes away and comes back because this one.
Yeah, I hear it. I hear it. Guys, come here. Come here. I heard it. Over here.
Where are you, Kitty Club? Go get him.
Dude, we have to stick together.
Okay. We need each other.
I hear it. I hear it. You hear it?
Why they got a black guy reason? I mean a white guy reason. Why can't it be black?
Because if that guy never dies.
Oh, I should have been a nigger. That guy lasted the longest.
Let's go to the train. Dave, remember you have to buy some gator to be a black guy? Oh god.
They should do a little hint when it's like the candy on the boy.
Oh, that'd be funny. That'd be funny.
Do we go to the big store or do we go to the train?
Go to the rocket.
Go to the train.
Rocket Man. There's only a wall here.
No,
Oh,
dumbass.
never mind.
This is stupid.
All right, I know where the thing is at.
Yeah, but you did it like 6 times already.
No,
Because it's right there. Look, do you see it right there?
Let me do it. I want
All right, go back. Let's go to the train. Let's go to the train.
I need way. Sally. What are you doing? Train. Echo. Oh, I don't see this one. Oh, yeah, train. Go. Look at it. Why do they have a train to a secret bunker? I hear it.
Dave, you shot your balls.
Got it. Chris, let's go.
You got it. Last press to save.
I'll press that, huh?
I'm gonna get over. Magic. Flying powers. Okay, now where do we go, Sonic?
This way.
The water fountain.
No, I'm getting there first.
Alright. You drink it, you die.
I'll see you in heaven. Or hell.
Oh, Sammy, if you flash around his back, it looks like a Hulk. Shadow looks like a
What
Hulk.
about here?
This is the other side of the screen. Right. So you shine the light on David, and his shadow looks like a Hulk.
Oh yeah, it does. What the hell?
It looks like a zombie Hulk. With awesome hair. That's creepy.
It looks like a giant. It's just a giant shadow next to him.
You're like the Hulk. Look at it.
Yeah, I know.
You make fun of me. I'm gonna turn around and rip right over
You can't even touch it. Boy.
there. I'll get the monster to come kill y'all.
Fuck you.
Oh. Yeah, do it. Tell him to do the sound first. I haven't got a taste, so I'm just gonna battery.
Wait, what?
Okay.
Oh shit, he's fucking right in front of me. Motherfucker,